Floods can cause significant damage to homes. And understanding different sandbag formations can help you be ready to protect your property when the time comes. The staggered formation is like building a brick wall with sandbags. Each row overlaps the next, creating a robust and stable structure. This method works well for moderate flooding. The pyramid formation is more effective for higher water levels. It's wider at the bottom and narrower at the top, like a pyramid. This shape helps distribute weight and provides better support against strong water pressure. The semicircular formation is always a wise choice. This curved wall not only redirects water from vulnerable locations, but also provides a vital escape route during emergencies. Build one of these around your main exit for maximum safety. Being prepared.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, as for our introduction, the objective of our project is to develop an innovative invention in order to prevent mitigating flood. And the second objective is to implement and improve the district's ability to withstand flood through the new invention. So, as for our project, our location chosen is at Batu Pahat district. So, we propose a solution by using a geotextile sandbag. Geotextile sandbag is a high-strength permeable fabric. It is also placed as a barrier from flood entering Batu Pahat district places. And then, geotextile sandbag is also sustainable and reusable. So, this is our proposed solution by using geotextile sandbag.
Okay, as for part design feature, we have 3 key points, which is number 1 is effective design feature, number 2 is community and modern integration, and lastly is strategy application. Okay, for the effective design feature, for the material, we use durable polypropylene pads to withstand tropical climate. We know that tropical climate is hot temperature and high humidity, so that's why we use polypropylene so they can sustain in this climate. For the filling, we use half fill with sand or soil for flexibility and ease of stacking. Okay, for the placement, we gonna use overlapping layer. As you can see, the picture, the example that I put in the slide, we use stacking and easy to arrange for that. And for the waterproofing, we use heavy duty plastic or PVC sheeting between sandbag and structure. Okay, for community and modern integration, to make overlapping layer, we can calling the community, and from that we can engage community for filling and stacking. And also, we can use combine with modern tool like drainage system and non-return way. Okay, for the strategy application, protect key entry point, which is doorway, window, utility opening. So that's why we can put all the overlapping from my house or your house or any house, and can sustain, and the water is cannot through to window or door.
Next, I will talk about design usefulness and practicality. There are many design usefulness and practicality aspects of using sandbags, including first, scalability, suitable for both small-scale residential areas and large urban settings. Second, ease of deployment, lightweight material for transport, quick assembly instruction for emergency use, and last, cost effectiveness, comparison with traditional flat barriers and other measures.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Daniel bin Abdul Halim. So, for the methodology, we have 5 methods, which is community engagement, field testing, collaboration, data analysis, and literature review. For the first point is community engagement. Community engagement is vital for sustainable flood solution. In Batu Pahat, surveys measure flood impact like economic losses and health risk, while focus group uncover barriers and solution. Engagement fosters collaboration, ensuring community involvement in design and implementation. Feedback loops allow us to adapt solutions based on real-time input. Second is field testing. Field testing ensures solutions work in real conditions. Simulation using historical data tests, water division, durability, and maintenance. Refinements are made through iterative testing and live drills with the community ensure functionality and integration with emergency response. Third method that we use is collaboration. Collaboration is key. Material scientists create durable, sustainable material. Civil engineering design safe, compatible structure. Disaster experts guide evacuation and resilience strategies. Universities and NGO provide research and community support. Next point is data analysis. Data analysis is the foundation of our approach. We study flood pattern, map risk area with GIS, and analyze socio-economic impact. Scenario modeling test solution under future risk. Global strategy are adapted to fit Batu Pahat's need. And lastly is literature review. We build on existing knowledge by studying successful technologies like sponge cities and floodgates. We address limitations like high cost and align solutions with policies. Advanced methods like AI and wetland restoration enhance sustainability. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad. So now I will present about implementation plan. So there are 5 phases in our implementation plan, which is phase 1 is preparation. Okay, the first one is community engagement throughout service and focus group, secure permission from local authorities, and train residents on deploying the Geotextile bags and sandbags. Okay, for the phase 2 is pilot deployment. Test geotextile and sandbag barriers in controlled environment. Simulate flood scenarios based on historical data and assess performance, water diversion, durability and material resilience. Okay, for the phase 3 is full-scale deployment, which is deploy barriers in high-risk area using pyramid stacking and plastic sheeting. The geotextile and sandbag are integrated with improved drainage system and non-return valve. Involve community volunteers for faster and more efficient implementation. Okay, for the next phase is monitoring and maintenance. Regular inspection for wear and tear, replace or repair damaged material, monitor performance with sensors or manual checks, conduct biannual community drills, and evaluate effectiveness during actual flood event. Okay, the last phase is long-term strategy. Scale the solution to other flood-prone areas, explore funding opportunities for expansion, research on material sustainability and advanced technologies, and lastly, advocate for alignment with national policies. Okay, so now I will present the conclusion. This project combines innovation, community engagement, and sustainable practice to tackle Batu Pahat flood challenge using geotextile bags and sandbag as cost-effective, durable solution paired with modern technologies like GIS mapping. The project provides tailored flood protection. By involving and training the community, it fosters resilience and ownership, ensuring long-term success. Aligning with national policies and exploring future innovation like AI-driven flood prediction, the project serves as a scalable model for effective flood management. This initiative not only safeguard Batu Pahat but also inspire broader effort to build resilient, climate-adaptive communities.